Hello, my name is Neha, an intern at yourshop.com. So for today's video, the topic is Texel Industries Limited right issues. So let us first learn about textile industries. So textile industry was originally incorporated as a private limited company for the year of 1989, but the company was converted into a public limited company on 1992. So, Texel Industries is a manufacturer and suppliers of HDPE trampolines, pond liners, and etc. Their range of trampolines are rust-proof, shrink-proof, easy to handle, UV protected, light and weight. Their products are widely utilized for covering stored fruit, grains, and fertilizers, and other things. So here are the two important objectives that why Texel is issuing its right issue. The first objective is to setting up a new manufacturing facility at Kheda, Gujarat. So the Texel wants to manufacture its facility at Kheda. That's why it's issuing its right issue to gain more funds to meet the general corporate purposes. So before going into the details of the right issue, let me explain that what is the meaning of right issue. So right issue is an option provided to the owner of the company in which they can issue its shares to their existing shareholders. So let us take an example. So for example, I own a company. Let us say my company name is ABC Limited, and you, a person, let's say A, you are Mr. A, and you have invested in my company and purchased my shares. So you are the already existing shareholder of my company. So, a right issue is an option in which a company can issue its shares to its existing shareholders. So it will be benefited for you as well as the company. The existing shareholder will get benefited because he will get more stake of the company, and the company will get benefited because the company will get more fund from the shareholders. So here are the details. The category is right issue. So the right issue size is around 31 lakhs 22,398 equity shares. The issue size amount is it's huge. It's a huge amount, which is around 12 crore 48 lakhs 96,000. The face value is 10 rupees 10 per equity share. The issue price is rupees 40. The right issue record date is 17th of August 2021. The issue entitlement is 55 right equity shares for every 92 fully paid up equity shares held on the record date. The right issue terms of payment will be 50% or rupees 20 will be payable on the application, and remaining 50% or rupees 20 will be payable on the first and the final call. The company is listed at BSE. So here are some textile industries right issues. So here you can say that this is a SWOT analysis of the right issue of the textile industries. So the strengths are the long-lasting manufacturing experience and geomembranes and the trampolines of the company, and the diversifying client base across industries, i.e. agriculture, aquaculture, civil engineering, horticulture, etc. And the professional and experienced managerial team at Texel. These are the strengths of the right issue at Texel. And the threats and weaknesses of textile industry right issue are the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has deteriorated economic conditions and ultimately affected the business operation. Significant revenue dependency over the 10 customers accounted for 42% of total revenues in fiscal 2021. Underutilization of existing as well as new manufacturing capacities will affect its financial position.